In today's digital world, cyber attacks are no longer small incidents. Across America, real people have lost millions of dollars in seconds. And the most shocking part? Many victims never saw it coming. These aren't just stories about corporations or big tech companies. Many victims are everyday Americans with normal jobs and families. From stolen crypto wallets to hacked financial accounts, cybercriminals are becoming more sophisticated every year, and the financial damage can be life-changing. But understanding these stories can help you stay protected. In this video, we'll explore real cases of Americans losing millions to cyber attacks and the lessons everyone should learn. Let's start with a real case that shocked cybersecurity experts. A successful American investor thought his digital accounts were completely secure. He used strong passwords, security apps, and even believed he was being cautious. But one unexpected moment changed everything. One morning, he noticed something strange in his account activity. Transactions he didn't recognize were appearing rapidly. Within minutes, thousands of dollars had already disappeared. By the time security teams responded, the damage had grown far larger. Investigators later confirmed the losses reached into the millions. And the most important lesson from this case? The attack began with something extremely small. When investigators looked deeper, the truth was surprising. The attack didn't begin with a complex system breach. It started with something millions of Americans ignore every day. A simple message that looked completely normal. No obvious warning signs, no strange design. It appeared to come from a trusted service. That single moment of trust opened the door. Within seconds, attackers gained access to sensitive accounts. And once access was established, everything happened extremely fast. This is exactly why cybersecurity experts say awareness is the strongest protection. Once attackers gain access, the real damage begins. At first, nothing seems unusual to the victim, but behind the scenes, important information may already be exposed. Financial accounts, personal emails, and digital wallets can all become targets. In several reported cases, victims only realized something was wrong days later. By then, the financial impact had already grown. Cybersecurity experts say speed is what makes these incidents so dangerous. The faster suspicious activity goes unnoticed, the bigger the potential loss. And that's exactly why early warning signs matter. In the next section, we'll reveal the warning signals many Americans overlook. Before most cyber incidents happen, there are warning signs, but the reality is, most people simply overlook them. One of the most common signs is unusual login notifications. Another red flag is unexpected password reset messages. Sometimes people notice unfamiliar devices connected to their accounts. Other times, apps begin behaving strangely. These signals may seem small at first, but cybersecurity professionals treat them as early warnings. Recognizing these signals quickly can make a huge difference, because the faster you act, the more you can protect. Cyber attacks are no longer rare events. They are part of the digital reality in 2026, and many Americans only realize the danger after it's already too late. But the truth is, awareness changes everything. Simple security habits can dramatically reduce your risk. Staying alert online is now just as important as locking your front door. The more informed you are, the harder it becomes for cybercriminals to succeed. Cybersecurity experts say the most powerful defense is knowledge, because when you understand the risks, you stay one step ahead. If you want to stay protected in today's digital world, make sure you follow this channel for more cybersecurity insights in real stories.